Hey good people, welcome back to our channel, and I'm very delighted and glad to have you back. So in today's video I'm going to show you something very brief and something that is very important. So hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm glad to have you back. But before we start, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel because you guys are really supportive. So there has been concern on my previous CourseHero videos that I've uploaded on this channel concerning the verification of the CourseHero account. So some of you have been unable to unlock assignments due to the verification error. And in this video I'll be showing you how to get rid of that. So if I get to my browser Chrome, I'm going to type a question here that we're going to unlock together, an async question. So I'm going to start by typing CourseHero and then CourseHero, and then maybe a question like nursing care. I hope I'm going to get a question on this one. Yes, and I'm going to choose the second one, the nursing study resources on CourseHero. I believe this is a question that we can unlock together on CourseHero. So I'm going to click here, and that will take me directly to my CourseHero account. So I'll try to unlock this question, and the CourseHero will not allow me to do that because I've not verified my phone number. But again, I'm going to show you how we can still solve that, how we can still be able to unlock this document even with that problem. However, I would advise you to verify your phone numbers while creating the CourseHero account. That will help you avoid such kind of problems. Otherwise, if you don't do that, it may end up troubling you. So how we do this? So this is the question that I want to unlock. You can see it has several pages. So I'm going to click this unlock button here, unlock document button, and you can see what I'm going to get. This is what I'm getting on my account because I've not verified my phone number. However, this doesn't prevent me from unlocking this given document. Although I'm not advising that you ignore this button, it is always good to verify your phone number while creating your CourseHero account. So to do this, I'm going to use a different technique to get this document unlocked. I'm going to click this download button here, and you'll see that I'll be able to get my document ready, and here it is. My document has already been downloaded. So I'm going to show you the content of the document that I've just downloaded here, and then you compare it with what you have on CourseHero. So I'm going to unlock this one. So as we do this, if you have a link, a CourseHero link that you want unlocked, or if you have a CourseHero question that you want unlocked, you can just send me the link via my WhatsApp number in this channel. So this is the question that I was unlocking. You can see that my account here is not verified, but again I still have access to this particular document. So it is easy. That's how we do it, guys. If you find this video helpful to you, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and like this video. It's always a pleasure serving you. Thank you. It's a goodbye from me.